Okay, Jam Fam, we're in Columbus again, just across from 120 Marconi Street, where they stole my money for public records and won't release the disc. I'm running a little behind today. Okay, Jam Fam, we're in Dayton today. It looks like I got TikToked. See the glass on the ground there? They broke out my window, put some screwdrivers. So as I was saying, there's not much you can do about it.
Hello, sir.
Hi, you closed for the day?
No, we're closing in about an hour.
Okay.
How can I help you?
I need to talk to somebody from the mayor's office.
All right, so you can't just go up there and talk to someone, but what you can do is fill out a sheet. It's right there. You go up there, you can fill out one of those sheets, and I'll send it to his assistant, and we'll set up an appointment for you to meet with the mayor.
And how long does this usually take?
It all depends, but they will get back to you.
30 minutes, an hour?
No,
I don't live in Columbus, so...
It'll be a couple days. It won't
No, I gotta get up there today.
He can't meet with anybody without an appointment.
Huh?
He doesn't meet with anybody without an appointment.
Or anybody in his office?
Nope. No, sir.
Okay. Well, I wonder what I do then. And so the city clerk is on the second floor?
Yes.
When's the next council meeting?
Next Monday.
Can you tell me that? Do you know what time?
5:30.
In the evening? Okay. Well, Well, I'm here now. I don't really understand that, but that's fine. And so what if I wanted to do public records?
Public records.
That's the city clerk, right? Schedule an appointment. Okay, well, I don't like the way any of that sounds. So how about if I just go through and document the building?
You can't do that. It's not public.
Why is that?
It's not a public building.
The city hall is not a public building?
No, sir. Not a public building.
So who funds it?
Taxpayers.
Come on now, you're doing this to me on purpose?
No.
Hey, listen, I'm gonna make this real clear one time. I turned in public records request over here at 120 Marconi Street. They took my money. They refused to give me the public records request. This has been going on for over 3 months. I come here, you tell me it's not a public building, but it's funded by the taxpayers.
White House is funded by the taxpayers.
Oh my God, with this nonsense. There's nobody up there that can come down here and see me.
You can fill out that slip there, come down, you can send an appointment.
I think this is just another attempt to get my name and address. Yeah, there it is, right there, folks. There it is on the back. Name, address, phone number, email, right? So let's get this straight. You're barring me from entering this building.
You can't come in here. You can't walk around here.
Okay. So I guess that guy from Colt News kind of straightened you guys out about what to say, because I hear you now, you're not saying with a camera you can't come in here at all, right?
I'm not familiar with what you're talking about.
Yeah, the dude that came in here and owned that fat guy over there. I see him over there peeking. This is how you people run things? We're the public. You work for us. You're supposed to help me.
You can fill that form out.
No, I'm not filling it out and giving anybody my name. What? I tried that already. It didn't work out. And they took my money. Thieves. Wow. Is that what's going on here? They just steal. Isn't that something? How do you feel about being part of that?
I don't feel like we're stealing, sir. I'm just...
No, listen to what I said. I turned in a public records request. I paid for it. They refused to give it to me. That's stealing. Okay? Now I'm come over here where I was directed to go to take it up with the higher ups, and you're telling me I can't get in.
Well, you have to fill out that paper.
I want to give you half a chance. You seem like a decent young man, but I can't, you know. Then again, you're part of this, so. Hey, fat man, have you been a police officer a long time?
You can't go back past this point, sir.
Get back behind the counter and do not address me in that manner.
Why not? I'm not on the other side of
Back
it.
behind in front of the counter there.
Nah, I think I'm all right.
No, you gotta move back over here.
Back over here, is that what's going to make you feel better? That going to keep your vagina from getting tilted, you piece of shit?
Alright, well, now you can leave the building. You're being...
Or what?
Yep.
My free speech is fucking A-okay, buddy.
I don't care about your free speech. You gotta
Okay.
leave the building now.
What for?
Because you're harassing everybody here. You gotta
I'm
leave.
only harassing you.
Yeah, we gotta leave now.
And get your fucking hands off me, guy. What are you doing?
Escorting you out.
No, you're not. I haven't filled out my paper yet. Get your hands off of me. Stop. You punk ass bitch. You know that's a lawsuit, you fucking piece of shit. I noticed you didn't cross the threshold. You fat tub of guts. What's your fucking name? What's your name? What's your name and badge number?
You're banned from the building. Get out.
I will leave, but I need to know your name and badge number. You're gonna put your hands on me again. Carrier 1108 1808. Fuck you. You get your ass beat out here, buddy. Oh yeah. If you didn't have a badge and a gun, you'd be smoked laying on your back, bleeding down your leg, you little bitch. You. It's the police. What are you gonna do? All right, well, there you have it. I guess I was a little slow in figuring it out. So he goes hands on. I got his name. All right, Gem City. This is Ty Glenn. I was just violently thrown out of City Hall. Remember, vulgar, verbal critiquing of law enforcement is absolutely okay. It's free speech, right? It's free speech. It's all okay. The guy's a piece of shit. I told him he was a piece of shit. And Jimmy cracked corn because I don't really care. It's the way it is. Period. These people stole my money. They're giving me the runaround. Send me one place to another place. Tell me to go buy a P.O. box. Whatever. This guy physically assaulted me. He had no right to put his hands on me. It doesn't matter. There was nobody in there. I was only giving him the business. It's not harassment. It's barely haranguing. I get a kick out of these people. They work in law enforcement and they don't know shit about the law. All right, so this is Ty Glenn. I'm out of here. Believe it or not, I think the old lady made strudel today. We all know how I am. I don't have a sweet tooth, but I do like strudel. I'll probably edit that out. All right, rough day in Columbus. I'm out.